Hi, we're in Bonifacio Global City to talk about this subcompact crossover that's a relative newcomer, a very late one at that. It's from Kia Philippines, and they expect it to be a volume seller against very stiff competition. It debuted in 2017 globally, but we only got it here in 2020, and yet it's already their third best-selling model with 345 units sold in just 3 months. I'm talking about the Kia Stonic. And we unboxed the range-topping EX with automatic transmission to see how it may help Kia Philippines go supersonic. In order to get this Red Dot award-winning design, Kia went all the way to the top and tapped their first non-Korean president and chief design officer, Peter Schreier, who's responsible for the Tiger Nose grille, and this one comes with silver and black molding. And now this vehicle gets flared wheel arches and short front overhangs to get SUV-type qualities. Projection-type headlamps are standard across all trims, including the front and rear skid plates. Now, what sets the EX apart from other trims? It has DRLs, or daytime running lamps. It gets turn signals integrated onto the exterior rear view mirrors, chrome-coated beltline molding, chrome-coated outside door handles, also gets 16-inch alloy wheels. Now let's take a look at what's under the hood. Now sadly, we don't get the diesel engine or the 1-liter turbo in the Philippines, but that doesn't mean we're shortchanged. We get the 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with DCVVT, that's dual continuously variable valve timing. Output is 100 PS and 132 Newton meters of torque sent to the front wheels via a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, it should be noted that while torque numbers 132 Newton meters are standard across all trims, the entry-level model only gets 95 PS. Most cabin amenities are shared across all trims. That includes the 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a USB port, and also the 6 cabin speakers. Also standard across all trims, the 3.5-inch LCD MID, or multi-information display, also the day and night interior rear view mirror, and this 3-spoke urethane steering wheel with audio controls. Now, what's exclusive to the EX, you may ask? Well, these. The silver and black dashboard trim, illuminated push-start button, the 6-way manually adjustable driver's seat, plus automatic climate control. Reversing to a parking spot is made easier with a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines and rear sensors. Plus, people will definitely appreciate that it comes with Hill Start Assist. Yes, this top-spec EX shares a lot of features with the 2 other trims. However, it does come with key exterior elements, interior amenities, and safety features that increase the aesthetic appeal and overall value of the vehicle, right? But more importantly, it makes the whole driving experience more pleasant, easier, and secure. I'm Eric Tipan from AutoIndustriya.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.